Writing a linear function given a table. You'll first need to calculate the slope using the average rate of change formula. Remember, this is our formula. It will be provided to you. It's not something you have to memorize. Remember, average rate of change is the same thing as slope for a linear function because linear functions have a constant rate of change. Then you will substitute that slope into the function f of x equals mx plus b. Then you will substitute one of the ordered pairs into the function for x and y and solve for b. And finally, you will write the function. Example 2, write the linear function. So here we have a table. And the first thing that we need to do is calculate the slope using this formula in the top corner. Now, in order to use this formula, we need two ordered pairs. For your practice assignment, I'm going to ask that you use the first two ordered pairs. So that would be the first ordered pair and the second ordered pair. So the first ordered pair is 1, 2, and the second ordered pair is 2, 5. And let's go ahead and substitute that into our formula. So that will be 5 minus 2 in the numerator, because this is f of x2 and this is f of x1. And then 2 minus 1 in the denominator, because that is x2 minus x1. Now to simplify, 5 minus 2 gives us 3, and 2 minus 1 gives us 1. So with that simplified, 3 divided by 1, that gives us 3. So we know that our slope is 3. Now our next step, we are going to substitute that slope into f of x equals mx plus b. So that would be f of x equals 3x plus b, because the slope is the m in the function. And now we're going to substitute one of the ordered pairs into the function for x and y. And I'm going to ask that you always use that first ordered pair. So we're going to substitute this first ordered pair into this function. Remember, the first number is the x and the second number is the y. So in place of x, I'm going to put 1. And in place of, and I'm going to bring everything else down. And in place of y or f of x, I'm going to put 2. Remember, y and f of x are the same thing. So again, I've used the ordered pair, 1, 2, and I've substituted it in for my x and my y. And now I just need to solve for b. So 3 times 1 is 3, and bring everything else down. And now I will need to subtract 3 because I need to get b by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. And that leaves me with -1. So our b equals -1. And that tells us that the y-intercept is 0, -1. Remember, we always write our y-intercept as an ordered pair because it is a point on a graph. And now we can finally write our linear function. And it is f of x equals 3x minus 1. Again, because this is our slope and this is our y-intercept.